Question 3. On exercise 2.2c, we are asked to find the HCF of the following using index notation. HCF simply means highest common factor. Getting the highest common factor of 180 and 230, we shall divide 180 and 330 repeatedly by the common prime factor of 180 and 330. So this can be done this way. Using the advanced prime factorization method, we have 180 and 330. We shall test the prime factors to see which can divide the two numbers. So 2 can divide 180 and 330. Reason being that the rules for divisibility of 2 states that for a number to be divisible by 2, its last digit must be a number that is divisible by 2. So 0 is divisible by 2 and it appears at the last digit of both. So automatically that number is said to be divisible by 2. So we divide by 2. 2 into 1 it cannot. 2 into 18 is 9. 2 into 0 is 0. Meaning 180 divided by 2 is 19. Do same with 330. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. This becomes 13. 2 into 13 is 6 times remainder 1. 2 into 10 is said to be 5. Now, 2 can no longer divide because 2 can divide. Why 2 can divide 90? 2 cannot divide 165. For the last digit is not a multiple of 2. So we then test for 3. Is 90 and 165 divisible by 3? Yes. Why is it so? The rule for divisibility by 3 states that the sum of the digits of that number must be a number that is divisible by 3. Now, 9 plus 0 is 9. It therefore means that 90 is divisible by 3. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. As 12 is divisible by 3, it therefore means that 165 is also divisible by 3. So we use 3 to divide. 3 into 90 is 30. 3 into 1, it cannot. 3 into 16 is 5 times remainder 1. 3 into 15 is said to be 5 times. Can 3 also divide? 3 can divide 30, but 3 cannot divide 55 because 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 is not divisible by 3. It therefore means that 55 is not divisible by 3. So we test for the next higher prime number, which is 5. 30 is divisible by 5 and 55 is divisible by 5. What are the conditions for a number to be divisible by 5? It states that the last digit must either be a 0 or 5. So these two meet that condition, therefore means that they are both divisible by 5. So 5 into 30 is 6 times and 5 into 55 is 11 times. At this point, there is no digit or no factor that can divide 6 and 11 without remainder. So the highest common factor, we stop at this point and say that the highest common factor of these two numbers is said to be the product of the prime factors that was used, which is 2 times 3 times 5. And 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is said to be 30. So the highest common factor of 180 and 330 is said to be 30. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take the next question on exercise 2.2c.